Takings will pick up any noise
Can I sit?
on the PowerPoint, okay? Bear in mind if you... Are you ready?
Okay.
Off you go.
3, 2, 1. Good morning, Mr. Aki and everyone. Today I will be talking about the charity that we chose. So I will discuss what charity what we thought was the best of all the charity. So So we chose this one and we think it's good because they help nature, like they help planting trees and help a lot more and more. And they also help us, but like we help them, like we plant the trees up and something like that. And they will help us by give us a lot more. Like they will not be hard something like that. And also this website is it's worldwide, so you can there's everywhere in the world. And also this charity is it's not other charities because most of them that we found on the internet is about helping people and places like that. So this one is quite good. And now I will introduce Sean, and he will tell more about what I say.
So, our team chose WWF because of these reasons. One, WWF is different from other charities. Most charities you can see it's about helping people, maybe kids, maybe children in Africa or something. So then, but few of them are about nature. So second thing is WWF helps nature, and we depend on nature. So if we help nature, it can help us. So people depend on nature, like food. It's through nature, we eat meat and plants. So, but then the world is plants are getting destroyed because of pollution. Animals are dying. So then we probably die. And plants also give oxygen. So then without oxygen, we will die. The third thing is WWF is helping to fix something we destroyed. Not the people that we never harmed, but still donate money to. Not that it's bad donating to charities to help people in need. But so anyway, WWF is helping to fix the environment, to help change the environment to make it better, because we make cars, factories and stuff. So when cars, they pollute the air, and factories, they also pollute water, and so we kill animals, and so WWF helps make it better. The third reason is reason is that WWF helps the world change because they help nature, and nature is everywhere. So they don't just help in one particular area, but they work all around the world. WWF works in many countries in Europe, Asia, Africa, in every continent except for Antarctica. But WWF, they help nature, and nature is everywhere. You can see trees out here and everything. So then WWF, it's not a charity which just helps one tribe in Africa who needs help, but instead they help everywhere, everything. So now I will introduce Teen to talk about who this is aimed at.
So now it's my turn, right? For the question we am on it, so everyone just thinks that why should you do with this charity? Just like to use a government businessman who did it. But I think that everyone should do this. For example, right? Last two is WWF just share the social point. Who use Apple? This hand up. This hand up. Just look in the App Store. WWF just made an application in the App Store. And chat. That's me, my brother. Say that. What the heck was that WWF? That was a good example. WWF, everyone doesn't care about the nature or environment. So you think that if we care about environment, we need to donating the money? No, we don't need to donating the money or support the WWF. Just help the nature, like planting a tree, about like this. And tell all about the global warming and pollution. And everyone just know in 2009, global warming is harming us, right, Aaron? And who made the global warming? Everyone did the global warming, like this plastic bag, about like this. So we need to help our world that we need to know. Now the next question, and let's go.
Okay, so good morning everyone. So today I'll be telling you what people can do to help the WWF organization and also to help the environment. So to help the WWF charity, people can donate money to the charity to help save wildlife, and people can also volunteer. And also, people can inform other people so they will be aware of this charity and they will also be aware of global warming. So to help save the environment, people can try to reduce pollution by one, going outside and enjoy nature. The second one is they can use bikes or walk instead of using cars, because cars are one of the main reasons why our atmosphere is polluted. Also, another thing that people can do is people can try to stop using electricity. And also, as Tim said, we are aiming this at factories and businesses to reduce fossil fuels and to reduce pollution. And we have to tell them to try and reduce producing products, because to produce products we need to use a lot of electricity, and to produce electricity you need fossil fuels. And fossil fuels is collected by digging underground, which is called fracking, and some people believe that it causes earthquakes, so that is not good for our environment. Also, burning fossil fuels can harm our atmosphere and the water and the sea. Also, people can also recycle, reduce, reuse, and recycle. For example, you can recycle like plastic bottles or cardboards or boxes. Also, people can help plant trees, because a lot of deforestation is happening right now. So we have to try and plant more trees, because trees give us oxygen and paper and wood. So this is what people can do to help. Now Hinano is going to give us the conclusion.
So in conclusion, in our group, we all think that WWF is the best charity because it is the only charity which is helping nature. If we destroying nature and causing global warming, if we don't do anything to help nature and keep causing damage to nature, our life in the future won't be comfortable as now. So that's why WWF is important, because it is helping nature. So we should help nature to help us in the future. And WWF is also worldwide. It can help anywhere around the world, which is good. And we should tell about WWF to governments, factories, and businesses, because mostly they are the main people who pollute it. We should tell them so that they could be aware of the charity, and also we need to pollute less and to recycle. So we need to tell factories and businesses about the global warming and also about this charity. We can help this charity by donating money, doing volunteers, telling other people about this charity so that they could know. Once a lot of people start to pay attention to WWF, it can save environment a lot more. We should tell other people to help the WWF charity and to help the environment, so that we all need to be aware of the charity and global warming that we are causing. So WWF is helping nature, which will make our life better in the future. Thank you for listening to my speech.
Okay, good.
Okay, so there are many charities we choose from, but for us, I think we felt that WWF is the one that we felt is most suitable for us to choose. So let's introduce WWF, shall we? It's a charity organization that helps preserve nature's habitats and its inhabitants. It's a very well-known organization and supported by all over the world and has been helping Earth's environment since 1961, which is over 50 years. Because of all the good things that WWF does for us all, it's quite hard to not choose WWF. Since we pollute the world in so many ways, we have to fix it somehow. So, me and my group will tell you all about it.
To donate to the WWF because this charity secures a better future by protecting the planet's environment. If we don't save the wildlife, nature, and other animals, it will decrease the amount of the wildlife, nature, and other animals. Some might be endangered or maybe will become extinct. When they become endangered or extinct, the food chain will decrease, which will cause some animals to starve for food, which will surely decrease our amount of food we get every day. If there is no nature, people can't live, because plants provide us oxygen, and people need oxygen, also animals. If there's no oxygen, people can't live. Not just people who need oxygen, also animals need it too. So if we don't help the wildlife, animals and nature, we might not survive too.
And now I'll talk about who is it aimed at. WWF is for people who care about the environment and have enough time and money to help animals' causes. There are many ways to help this environment. For example, you can adopt an animal from WWF or traveling around the world with WWF to help many other animals in the world. There are more than 6 million people who help this environment by donating or by taking actions. If you want to help us but you don't have much money, don't worry. You can help us by taking action as told just now. When you help us protect species, you contribute to a thriving, healthy planet. Together we can protect and restore species and their habitats. And now Jordan will tell you more about how we can.
To help WWF, we can stage events so that all the money received for the events can go to supporting WWF. Also, brands or companies can put their names on our events that we can stage so that the money there received can furthermore go for donating to the WWF. And also, by doing this, we can get more well-known. They can get more well-known and more people have the chance to donate to it. Another way is that we can set up donation boxes around Bangkok. So if people have a bit of loose change, they can put the 25 satang inside the box and the money there can go to the charity. And also setting up, and we can also, another way for people to donate to it is by setting up a website so that's easy to access and to donate to, and also people can donate the money via credit card or PayPal. But we can also get people just not to donate, but to also by themselves reduce pollution by not using the car that much or by using other forms of transport like bikes or walking. Also, we can get people to start planting trees or making backyard gardens. Although in Bangkok that's a bit hard to do this. And also people can reduce pollution by not doing harmful things like smoking and other forms of ways of pollution. So Aaron will come back.
So in conclusion, WWF helps animals and nature around the world by stopping deforestation, saving animals, and lots more. And they do a very efficient job at it. And the results are clearly visible by looking at their website. They have accomplished many goals, such as increasing the population of pandas by nearly 20%, and a lot of other species as well. They're very successful in their work and are quite respected. So because of this, we believe that WWF is the most worthy of money.